Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we're going to give you an update on the work started on the Raintree commercial complex. Now, just up the road from here, you have the very successful 876 commercial complex where private developers built lots, put in the infrastructure, the roads, everything, put in all the infrastructure you need, and they sold the lots to companies, and the companies then built their warehouses or factories, whatever they needed. Very successful. So the government now is trying to do the same thing here at the Raintree commercial complex. So this land is owned by the UDC and they have they're in the process of putting in the infrastructure. See, they have cut out the lots, etc. And they will then sell the lots to individuals who will then build it out how they want it. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Raintree Commercial Complex at Caymanas Estate, St. Catherine, is one of Jamaica's most promising new business developments. Led by the Urban Development Corporation, the project aims to create a modern commercial and light industrial hub that supports job creation and private investment while easing congestion in Kingston. Located near the island's main highways, the Edward Seaga, P.J. Patterson, and Nelson Mandela highways, Raintree sits in a prime position for logistics, manufacturing, and office operations. The first phase of the complex covers about 108 acres and will include fully serviced lots with infrastructure such as roads, water, power, and high-speed connectivity. This approach makes it easier for companies to set up quickly and operate efficiently. The project is expected to create thousands of jobs both during construction and after completion. It also takes inspiration from the success of the 876 commercial complex in Ferry St. Andrew, which proved that large, well-planned developments can attract major business and thrive along Jamaica's highway corridors. Raintree builds on that model, offering even greater scale and government-backed infrastructure. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.